Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to activate lock screen wallpaper auto change feature in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. Before go to our video, if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. First, I go to here and log into my PC. I go to my PC and log into my PC. After that, we are going to our power plan. First, we go to our power plan and change our settings. Go to the start and here type control panel. Click on the control panel. In a control panel, view by, it is something like this category. Change it to the large icons. And here we find power options. Click on the power options. Wait for a few seconds. In a power options, here we find our preferred plan. If your plan is balanced, then go to the balance. If power saver, then go to the power saver. My plan is this balanced. Click on the change of plan settings. Here we find turn off display. Click at here. And if you want to 5 minutes, then 5 minutes, 10, 40, 50. I want to for testing purpose for 1 minute. Best thing is for the 5 minutes. I go to the 1 minute for the testing purpose. And put your computer to sleep. After 30 minutes of your login screen, your PC go to the sleep. In my case, I give the 30 minutes. You can give 40, 50, 50, 60 or 1 hour or 5 hour or never. I go with the 30 minute and click on save changes and click on the close. Close this windows or close this box. After that, we are going to the our settings. That is also very simple. Go to the start and type settings. Click on the settings. In settings, we find many options. Go to the personalization. Click on the personalization. In a personalization, scroll down and find lock screen. Here we find lock screen, image, apps and animations. Click at here, lock screen. In lock screen, here we find slideshow. Personalize your lock screen. It is something like Windows Spotlight or picture. Then change it to the slideshow. We want slideshow. And here we find the our folder. If you want to add that folder or add images on that folder, and it is automatically detected by you. In my case, this is the wallpaper. I remove and I create one folder in my PC. I go to this PC. In this PC, I create this folder in E drive. You can create this folder on any drive. I go to the E drive and E drive I create a folder name wallpaper. I double click on this wallpaper folder. In this wallpaper folder, I create or add multiple image files. You can add any image file from your PC, laptop, or from your mobile or from the internet. From net, you can download any images that you want for your wallpaper and save this in this wallpaper folder on anywhere. I go to my wallpaper folder from E to wallpaper. You can create any folder on any disk or on the desktop. Okay, close this. Next step is go to here. Here we find browse. Click on this browse button and go to our folder. This PC, I go to this PC. In this PC, my folder is E drive. Go to the E drive, wallpaper, double click on your folder, choose this folder, and here we find our newly created folder. After that, here we find some advanced slideshow settings. If you want to change that, then change it. If you don't turn off, then don't turn off. If you want to 1 hour, 3 hours or 30 minutes, then select that. I don't want to turn off, so I click on don't turn off. Okay, and after that, close it. And after that, I wait for 1 minute, and after 1 minute, my login screen is appear, and after that, our slideshow is start on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few minutes or 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute. I don't touch on my keyboard or mouse and wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute, my login screen is appear, and my login screen wallpaper slideshow or the wallpaper auto change feature is started on our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to activate lock screen wallpaper auto change feature in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.